Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 BMW X1. Now of course this car comes with LED headlights and LED halo lights as your daytime runners. You then also have front parking sensors. You've got these freshly refurbished diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these 18-inch alloys. Coming around to the rear, you can see at the bottom we have got a tow bar hitch fitted at the bottom, so you can just put the hook on and then tow whatever you wish. You've got rear parking sensors, reversing cameras at the top, and then if you tap the tailgate button, you'll see that the tailgate will open automatically like so. You've got a three-way splitting rear bench, which you can use these toggles on either side to fold down, just to save you walking to and from around the car. Then to lower the tailgate, tap the button at the top and it will drop down like so. Then coming around, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car, we've got your ivory leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got electric windows all around. In the front, we have your automatic gearbox just here. We've got dual climate control in the front with full air conditioning as well. And then we also have front heated seats. Media controls are just here. Then we also have the iDrive screen up at the top. As you can see within here, you've got your various media sources with DAB, FM, CD, Bluetooth. You've got your Bluetooth hands-free, and of course your satellite navigation. Over to the steering wheel now, you've got your cruise control settings on the left with your media controls on the right. This car has done 35,025 miles, but coming back outside the car, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this BMW X1, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.